All right, time for your exclusive News at 9 forecast. Elise Finch is back in the Weather Center with the very latest for us, and I just, took a walk outside today and was loving it.
I know, it was nice. It's nice to have a mild day, especially in January, before we head into, well, the end of January, beginning of February, and some tough weather. And we're getting a little bit of a taste of that this week. So let's get started. Want to take a live look outside. This is from our camera on top of the Empire State Building. Take a look at the headlines because it is brisk and dry. That's the kind of start we're going to have to the work week, right? We'll have brisk conditions. It will be a dry day for your Monday. You will see some sunshine. We do expect also the potential for a wintry mess as we head into the work week. Behind that system, that's going to bring us some wet weather. Plunging temperatures, really plunging, so it will feel every bit like winter. So take a look. Here are the observed highs around the area today. The National Weather Service considers 39 to be normal for this day of the year. We hit 49 in Central Park, but you can see lots of 40s across the board. 50 for Toms River, 35 for Monticello, so the one chilly exception. But everybody pretty warm today, definitely the warmer of the two weekend days. This we knew. We hit that just before 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Nowhere near the record, though. That's 69 degrees. We set that back in 1916. So as we take a look at snow update for the season, this winter, we've had just over 7 inches of snow. Normally, at this point, we'd have 11 inches of snow, so we're a little bit behind. Last winter, of course, we had nearly 18 inches of snow. So we're not on track to do that, but we do have some snow heading in our direction. So already we have a winter storm watch that's been posted for Sullivan County that goes into effect Tuesday morning, remains in effect until Wednesday morning. Hard to imagine it right now as you take a look at your vortex satellite and radar. A little bit of cloud cover, right? It's pretty much all we've got going on tonight and as we head through the day tomorrow. It is later, right? This is the air mass that we'll be enjoying for your Monday. And then this is what happens as we head into your Tuesday. So want to go ahead, turn on your Futurecast, show you 6 o'clock tomorrow night. See a little bit of increase in cloud cover. That's when it begins. By 7 o'clock in the morning, could see maybe a snow shower, but for the most part, it's approaching from the west. So really, it is our northern and western suburbs that are going to see the snow first. So we head throughout the day, and oddly enough, this is a very slow-moving system. You'll notice that we started at 7 o'clock in the morning, and by 6 o'clock in the evening, if this timing stays true, while we've been snowing in some of our extreme western suburbs, the rain is just starting to make it into places like New York City and Nassau County. So just to give you an idea, and of course you can see it's rain at 6 o'clock. As we continue on, we see that pink line that lets us know we get some mixing of precipitation. And then of course the back edge here brings us some snow. So this is Tuesday into Wednesday. This is midnight here. And then this system actually moves out relatively quickly. But then we have this second line that comes through with some additional snow. And this is going to be Wednesday afternoon. So what could we see? These are some preliminary numbers just to give you an idea, right? We'll be fine-tuning these numbers. John Elliott, Lonnie Quinn will be fine-tuning these numbers over the next couple of days. However, I want to show you right now, it looks like for a good portion of New York City, Nassau, Suffolk County, down the Jersey Shore, this is mainly a rain event for you. Northern Manhattan into the Bronx, that's where we could see a coating to 2 inches as we head north and west of that, 2 to 5. And then the heavier snow, 5 to 8 inches plus, that's going to be for some of our far northern and western suburbs. So for tomorrow, we've got bright skies, 35 degrees, although it kind of feel like the 20s out there, so it's going to be cold. You take a look at your hour-by-hour forecast. I mean, look at that. 35 degrees, feeling like 26 at 3 p.m. So it's a cold day from start to finish, never warms up. We have a chilly trend. The next 6 to 10 days look to be below normal for the entire Northeast. And take a look. Here's your 7 day. So dry for Monday, system rolls in Tuesday, Wednesday, gives us a wintry mix. Behind it, the temperatures plunge. The high is 17 degrees on Thursday, 22 degrees on Friday, 29 degrees on Saturday. Good news is for Sunday, 40 degrees. Heading to a Super Bowl party, a little bit better for you.
Okay. Thank you, Elise.